YouTubers, welcome back to our kitchen for part 2 of our Always Pan review. We've had this pan about a month now, and so we thought it'd be a really good time to tell y'all how we like the pan. We have a lessons learned, and we also have a couple design flaws in our opinion that we'd like to share with you. And we're going to start off with that egg test to see if this thing is still non-stick. And hey, if you missed part 1, there's a link in the show notes, and there'll also be a thumbnail at the end of this video. So stay tuned. Alright, the egg is coming off the bottom of the pan very easily onto my spatula. So the pan is maintaining that it is non-stick. But I will tell you, it's not cook proof, and I have cooked eggs on too high of heat and it burned. So just keep that in mind. The pan's not stick, but the cook isn't necessarily non-stick. Alright, I'd like to share with you a lessons learned that I discovered when making spaghetti dinner, and I also want to share with you a couple design flaws in my opinion. So when making spaghetti, you see the pan, it's boiling. I get my spaghetti out. And when I put it in the pot, it hangs over the edge. That's not a big deal because in a lot of pots, the spaghetti hangs over the edge. But with the Always pan, you see how narrow it is, so how close it is to the burner. And what I found is that the end of the spaghetti started to get toasted from the gas burner. And this is what I'm talking about. You can see the singed ends of the spaghetti. So this pan is great for egg noodles, penne pasta. It makes a mean box of macaroni and cheese. So your smaller pastas are what you want to cook in this Always pan. Alright, so here are my 2 biggest complaints about the Always pan, and it is a design flaw in my opinion. So like I said in part 1, this handle is not hot. See that? The top of the pan is not hot. But this handle over here is blazing hot. So I have to get this pan over to my sink to get the colander out of the pan to drain this pasta. So I'm going to take it over with my hot mitt. Here's the second problem, the colander. So to get the colander out, I have to lift up these handles, and they are hot as well. And so either I have to get my big mitt into my pasta, or I grab the utensil and I have to lift it up. But as I'm lifting it up, it has a tendency to fall into the pasta. So now I have to get it up out of the pasta. And like I said earlier, because the pan is so shallow, as I'm reaching my hand into the colander, I could accidentally get into my pasta because I have to wear a heating pad or hot pad to get it out. So that is my biggest complaint about the colander. What I would have liked to have seen is maybe they put some sort of indentation in the design so it held in place once you had it up, like almost a clipping mechanism that clicked to keep it upright. But if you're trying to get your pasta out with your big oven mitt, you may have a problem. Alright guys, there you have it. We just wanted to do a follow-up video with you to show you how we've enjoyed the Always pan for the last month. We went over some lessons learned and some design flaws that we personally don't like. But overall, we love the pan, use it daily. It's been a wonderful addition to our kitchen. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.